Hi, I'm Limpizi FX. So today I want to show you guys how you can use this MT5 app and you can use it to place a trade and how you can add or remove indices from this app. So there's a lot of changes that have been made on MT5, so I'm ready to show you guys everything from step by step on how you guys can use this MT5 app to place a trade and how you can do a lot of things in there. So guys, if you are new to my channel, this is a new channel that I just created, so I want you guys to do me a favor by subscribe to the channel, like the video, and guys also turn on your notification. So I'll be creating a lot of video on this channel, so I want you guys to support me with this channel. Make sure you support me, comment on my content, like my content, and also subscribe to this channel, guys. I actually thank you guys because this is a new channel created, and I do love you guys. Can be with me with this channel. Let's go through it together. My aim on this channel is to make everybody happy, make a lot of money with this channel, and then you'll be living a good life with this pump and crash, and also with this volatility, all this kind of trading stuff, living large with it. So guys, let me show you guys the first thing you have to do if you want to add or remove indices. Let's say you want to remove volatility 75 one next. Now just click on the icon right here. Just click on this icon right there. So after clicking on it, then you will see this button. You see this is the button right here. You can see this is the button right here. You see this button, then click on it. So after clicking on it, you will come down to the indices you want to delete. Then this is it. Then click on the dot on the box right there. Then after clicking on it, then click on this delete button right there. Then after clicking on it, you can see we have already removed our volatility 75 next. That's how you guys can do it. Quite simple. Now let's say you want to add the volatility 75 next back again. Let's say you want to add it. All you have to do is just click on this icon right there. Click on this. So as you can see, this is the volatility we are going to be adding. This is the volatility 75 we deleted, and we are going to be adding it back again. So just click on it. So after clicking on it, it will automatically add to our indices. So we can see we have our volatility 75 right here. We have our volatility 75 next right there. So now let's say you want to place a trade with this volatility 75 next. All you have to do is just click on it. After clicking on it, this is how I'm going to show you. You can see this is new order, chart, properties, market, statistic, and then the simple view mode. Now let me show you guys one more thing about simple view mode. The simple view mode is all about, let's say if we don't want to see all this volume, the running time, all those ones you don't want to see, then click on the simple view mode. You can see they have removed all the spread, the time, remove everything. So if you want to add it back, just click on lock on one indices, click it. After clicking it, then click on the advanced mode. Sorry guys, click on the advanced mode. Then we have everything set up. Now just click on it. Then clicking on our main chart. So we want to add to place a trade. Now there is two ways you can use to place a trade. The first one is is you clicking on this icon right there. Is clicking on this. You can see new order right at the top. You can see this is new order. Then click on it. So after clicking on the new order, you can see what is being grabbed here. Now told us to add you can see something right here. Now this is let's say we want to use lot size. That is the lot size right there. You can install any lot size. This is the spread for the market. This is the spread for the market. We call this so sorry guys, we call this lot size. So we call this lot size. That's what we call this. We call this pips. We call this pips. And this is the market. We are in a market execution, which means that if we press a buy or sell button, the market will automatically buy without wasting any time. But if you click on it, you can see there's a lot we can do right here. Now the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. Now let me explain everything to you guys. Now let's say you want to what? Now let's first use the market execution. So now let's say you want to be using 0.00.011 then if you click on buy now, you can see what the market does. It automatically buy what? Buy the market for us. So guys, let's use the buy limit. Then the buy limit. So you click on what? You click on the the place we want to buy, then click on buy limit. After clicking on the buy limit, so now let me explain the buy limit once again. So the buy limit is like, let's say you want to market. Let me go back to the chart. So we want to market to what? So let's say when the market comes right at this area, right here. Let's say get to this area. When the market comes right to this area, we want to what? We want to buy the market. We don't want to buy the market immediately. We want to market to reach these 8670 levels before what? Before buying. So that is when we are going to be using our buy limit, guys. Now let's go and use it. The market is going where we want the market to buy for us is at 8670. So it is 8670 also. So it is 8670. So let's add new order buy limit. So we are going to be adding it at the price 8670. That's 13 or so. So then click on what? Then click on place. Then you can see they already placed a buy limit. So whenever the market reaches the 1870, it will show automatically automatically launch the market for what? For us, automatically buy the market for us. Either we are there or we are not. Either we are in the chart or we are not in the chart. It will automatically buy the market for us. Now the second thing, the third thing, which is the sell limit. Sell limit is the opposite side. So which means when the market reaches this area, let's say when the market reaching this area, we want the market to sell, but you might not around. We might not on the chart. The market reaching this chart, reaching this area. So these are help of this buy limit or all those kind buy limit, buy stop, sell stop, sell limit. All those ones, they are just automatic, which means we are either we are on the chart or we are not on the chart. It was currently launch the market for us once we have set it up. So let's see when the market reaching this area, we want the market to sell. So we 8794. So let's set it up 794. So we are using the sell limit 8794 13. So let's place it through, and you can see we have it right here. We have the right here. This is the buy limit. This is the buy limit right here, and this is the sell limit. So that is it, guys. That is it, guys. Now the third one is what? Is the buy stop. Now let's say you want to use the buy stop. Now the buy stop. Now remember this is the buy limit, which indicate that when the market sells, then reaching this area, when the market we have already analyzed the market that the market is going to buy. So that's it. And this sell limit means when the market buy reaching this area, then we know that we analyze market that the market is going to sell. That's why we say But now let's say this is the buy stop. Now let's say we want the market, when the market reaching this area, the market will continue buying. Okay. Let's not use it here. Let's use this right at the stop. You can see right at the stop. Let's use this stop. Now let's say when the market reaching this area, the market will automatically continue buying. That is the help of the buy stop, guys. Now let's go high up. Let's first check the 8865. So 8865. So 8865 buy stop. 8865. So you can see, let's place the buy. Now you can see it right here, it right here, you can see it right at the top. Now same thing applicable for the what? For the sell limit. Let's say you want the market, when the market reaches this area, the market will automatically continue selling. When we have analyzed the market, we figure that when the market reaches this area, it will automatically continue selling. So we are going to add our sell stop. So after 35, that's how you guys are going to be doing everything. So it's 565. So you can see it, we have it right there, we have it right there. You can see this is this guy, that is this guy. Now the next one is the buy stop limit. I will never use this one before. I can't let you guys, but let's state it up. Let's state it up, so guys. So okay, so what should we do now? Okay, let's do it this way. So it is 88. Okay, so it's not working. 88 and 88. You can see the buy stop limit is not but let's say this buy stop limit is not useful. It's not useful. There's nothing we want to use it with. All we need is these 5 things, which is the market execution, buy limit, stop limit, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. That's all we need. That's all we need, guys. That's all we don't need. We normally don't need a buy stop limit, guys. We normally don't need it. Now you can figure out that I am using this new order button. Clicking on this is before taking a trade. Now the thing is, now let's say we want to be using this and this. We don't want to be going to the pairs. We want to buy it straight away from here. Now let's say you don't want, let's start from here. You don't want this to show anymore your chart. All you have to do is just click on this icon. And after clicking on it, it will move out the buy and sell. Now if you want to add it back, then click on it. You get it back. Now let's say you want to use the buy limit and all those sell limit stuff with the stop loss and take profit. Just click on this icon right here. Now we can change this is to sell stop. You can change it to anything you want to use. This is a simple way you can use to take your trade. This is a simple way to use to take your trade. You want to use the buy limit. You want to use a sell stop, the buy limit. So if you want to use everything around, so you can use it right there, guys. Now this is the time frame. You can see there's a lot of changes that have happened here. You can see there's a lot of changes that have happened. You can see you can add the time. If you want to use it 5-minute time frame, you can add it there. That's how you guys can use it. This icon is what to indicate something, and you can also use it for to measure. So you can also use it to measure, guys. You can also use it to measure something. So with the line right there. So now, guys, this is new thing that is also this new update that also the MT5 do. You can add multiple windows. This is how you guys can do it. Just click on the chart. Click on where the chart is. After clicking on it, it shows something like this. Now this is a short way you can use. You can also use to add any time frame you want to use. Then let's say you want to have multiple charts. Click on this icon right here. Click on this icon there. After clicking on it, you will create new. You will click on new plus, which is the new window. So after clicking on it, it will automatically add another chart for you. So you can change the You can change DPS. So when you want to change DPS on MT5, just click on this icon. Just click on it, and it will show you all the charts you have. Then let's say you want to use Fibonacci 75 again. You can see it here now, which means you can use multiple time frames. Let's say you want to be using 1 hour here and 15 minutes here. So you can see you have multiple charts. Now, if you want to add another one, there's no chance to add another one. You can only add multiple. Now, let's say you want to change it to another step. You can change it. You can see we have our two market, and we have press it buy and sell at the same time with this. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now, if you want to remove it, to click on the icon once again. Then after clicking on it, then you mark the one you want to delete. Let's say you want to delete 1 hour, then you click on remove, then you already remove. So that is it, guys. Now let's say you want to use this icon. Now this is how you guys can use it. Now let's say you want to use you want to set your lot size. This is how you can set your lot size right here. Click on it. Then let's say you want to be 0.05, which is the lowest dot size for this 75 one next. And if you want to add this is where you're going to add, this is where you're going to add, and this is where you are going to be minus. You can see the minus and the plus. Okay, so let's say you want to use 0.1, then you are going to add it. You can see this is 0.9, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.1. Now let's say you want to add 0, you want to use 0.0.01. Then we are going to delete everything up. So this is the fastest way. So you can see it already bring it up 0.01. You can see. So that's it, guys. You can use it to minus right here, and use it to plus it. That's it, guys. Now I want to use 0.01. Now when we click on this box, let's say we want to buy. When you click on it, immediately we automatically buy the market for us. If you automatically buy the market without any hesitating, you can see, and if you want to sell, it automatically sell the market for us without any hesitating. This one you always set you only set your lot size, and then you can set your stop loss and take profit with it. You can set your stop loss and take profit with it. You only switch to your chart and go set your everything up. Okay, I will set anything up. Now let's say you want to set everything up, just come to your trades. You can see this one we had, and you hold the click. After holding the click, then you modify your position. You want to close by, you want to close your position in new order or chart. Okay, so that is it, guys. That's how you can make use of MT5, and you will see all your trade in the history. See your trade in the history right here. This is the message. Let's say you have there's a new message on MT5. This is where you are going to your messages. That is it, guys. Now if you also want to buy the market, there is it opportunity that you want to what if you want to buy or sell in the market, guys. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys love this video. Sorry it's taking so much longer. I hope you guys love the video. If you see value in this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is a new channel I'm just creating, and I want you guys to help. Let us go to the channel together. Let's go to the channel together. Yeah, the aim is to what? Is to reach 100k. Is to reach 1k subscriber. Let's start from small. Is to reach 1k subscriber. So let's go to the channel together, guys. Let's go to the channel together. So thank you, guys. I'll surely see you in the next video, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, like this video, and also comment, guys. Bye.